Hello Ashad.
Hello sir.
What is this?
Sir, today I have made a train with a track here.
With a track here.
And I have used one large motor and I have used two caster wheels here as you can see.
Okay.
And as there was no battery in the EV3, we used this medium motor because as we know that the motor is a generator of energy.
Right, cool. True.
So let's start.
So all the motors can generate electricity also. Cool. You are putting it on the tracks and you are moving it. Oh, nice. And these are helping to balance, right?
Yes.
Good, good. Oh, it's kind of disconnected, I think. Done and done. Yes. Very good. Very good. It can go. Yes, it can go up or good.
It can climb the mount,
Right.
mounts also.
Because of the tracks.
Yes.
Otherwise, it can slip. But this one can't. Very good. Very good. Now, Dave. Yes, you can come.
But I have also made the same thing.
Same thing, but the design and entire idea is different. But why you have put so many wheels? Just for the weight. Yes, cool. Because if the weight is less, then it.
We did not use these wheels.
Yeah.
The weight was completely here and it was falling like this.
Okay. Okay. Cool. And you are also using generator. Okay.
I have used an axle
Okay.
here and to make my balance this.
Okay. To balance this, you have given the brake and then this
And
wheels.
one air connector here.
Okay.
And
Nice.
I've used this one.
Good, good, good. Oh, so Arshad, you have given two and you have given one. So you are not facing any balance is okay,
Yes.
because as you have only one wheel, there is a chance to disbalance, right? Anyways, let's try. Let's see how it's working. Let's show us. Look, it's going a little bit that side.
That is just looking like.
Oh, but it will
That's
not
not the
fall.
problem.
Okay, okay, that's not the problem. Cool, cool, cool. Nice. 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 Very good. Very, very good. Very nice. Video is coming, right? Very nice. Sankalp sir is our cameraman today. Hello, sir. Okay, now, sir. Our most most intellectual car is this now. Yes, because it can shift the weight also, right? No, no.
So
Nice.
the bulldozer.
It's kind of. But you stand there. I think miss your car should come in the camera.
Use this.
Yes.
Use these gears as here.
So like them, you have used two of these.
Just for the track is a track.
Okay. You haven't used any brake, I can see.
No.
Okay.
Just settle it with wheels and these fins.
But why wheels at the front and one at the back?
As you can see, my motor is applying much pressure at the back, and when I was riding it, it was like falling backwards.
Okay,
Because
that's why you have given a little bit counterweight at the base, front.
And because then I give two wheels to fall.
Yes,
forward.
yes.
So just to equalize
This is
it.
another example of counterweight, because this counterweight was very much important. Because if he could have given one wheel at the front, one at the back, but instead of that, he gave two, because you have to increase the weight at the front too because of this. Cool. Show us.
Sometimes, as you can say, it's
Oh, it can shift the weight. This is nice. Look, it can shift the weight like this. Means if you need little bit weight at the front and back. Nice. I think it's disconnected. Yes. Wait. No problem. Done? Yeah. Good back? Yes, now. Oh no, because of that grey, Yes, come. Grey one, look, whenever it's getting the grey, it's slipping. But it will not, slowly do it. It will go up. Yes, cool. Go back now. Yes. Nice. Very good.
So as you told in Sankal's video, we can also like do a bot fight on the ground on this track.
Bot fight on the track. No bot fight. Next day bot fight. Okay. Bye bye, Sankalp. Say bye bye to camera.
Bye.
Bye.
Sankalp, stop.